Good morning, all. Good morning, all. Please let me know if I'm audible and my presentation is visible. Anyone is having any idea about the attendance? Because it's only 11. I was quite late of 2 minutes just because of bus. Bus arrived today. It arrived late due to traffic, so it's only a 1 or 2 minutes late. Okay, I hope my presentation screen is visible to all of you. Yeah, good. So anyone just unmute and turn on their video and just try to recall our last lecture. I will expect this from Nidhi because yesterday also I call her 2 to 3 times. Nidhi 5078. Just turn on your video and audio. Nidhi? Nidhi? 5078. Nidhi. Okay. Nidhi is not in exactly class. Okay, Nidhi is. Dear, I am asking two things. Turn on your audio and video and try to recall whatever we have discussed. Nidhi, you are wasting class time. If I am asking something, immediately you have to do. No, I already said that you have to manage for the sessions. You are at home, that's a good, but you need to be spare some time for the at the time of sessions. You unmute. We will try to manage. Unmute and turn on your video. That you have to manage. Who else? Parmesh? Did you just manage till the time I'm giving you that much of time to manage yourself? Parmesh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Vida. Turn on your video as well.
I have already turned on, but it is not
No, video is not turned
visible.
on. Audio is there.
Sir, I have already turned on video, but it is not visible.
Okay. whatever the learning in our till now session, not even in the last, whatever we learned so far,
Yes.
whatever you are in a position to recall, you can.
Okay, sir.
ओके नहीं बेटा, आपको बोलना है, अदरवाइज यू आर वेस्टिंग द क्लास टाइम। नहीं आ रहा है याद तो आप एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं, सर आई एम अनेबल टू रिकॉल, आई कैन मूव टू द अदर पर्सन।
Sir, I'm trying.
हमें एफर्ट दिख नहीं तो बेटा कहाँ ट्राई कर रहे हो आप। नीलदीप 102, नील। अब नेम्स में कुछ मेरे से मिस्टेक हो सकती है क्योंकि जो इसमें दिखते हैं हम उसी हिसाब से नेम्स को रीड कर रहे हैं। 102 नीलदीप। निधि आप दो जगह से ज्वाइन किए हुए हैं क्या? आपका फेस दो जगह डिस्प्ले हो रहा है निधि? भाई ये रिकॉल करने की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तो क्लास को ही लेनी पड़ेगी। चलिए तो मैं एक जगह से, हाँ अब कहिए निधि। भावेश I am leaving it to the class. Whomsoever is in a position to recall the session, please start. It's not compulsion. I need to name that person. You are
Namaste, sir.
totally free. Thank you. Yeah.
Sir, we had discussed what is management information system
Is it possible to turn on your video?
yes, sir, I can.
Yeah. Thank you.
Just a minute. Sir, we had discussed like what is management information system and how it helps managers in managing their day-to-day activities, and like how we can put our business on its auto mode, like using the management information system. Like it helps in reducing so much of work and in reducing human errors.
ओके, बट इतना कुछ तो शायद मैं डिस्कस नहीं किया था। मैं बिजनेस स्ट्रेटजीज डिस्कस किया हुआ था, 6 डिफरेंट रीजन स्ट्रेटेजिक बिजनेस ऑब्जेक्टिव्स for which the MIS need to be there to achieve those objectives, and it will work simultaneously or collaboratively with management or with the core business objectives. It's not in a separate or in isolation, but yeah, it's good attempt. Thank you, Divya.
Thank you, sir.
Now we can start our journey. So 6 business objectives we have discussed. In total, the 3 sessions whichever we have done so far, our objective was to understand what exactly the MIS, what exactly the way MIS is helping to the organization, and why exactly they need, what are their investment pattern, does it fall to a particular category of a business or it is for all. That's exactly our till now discussions, to just to frame out our mind that what we have to do, what we are supposed to learn, how it is going to help to the organization, what kind of a your stake into in it. Your stake in the sense how you will participate, support, or get benefit. So in personal life, professional life, when you join any organization, or you are having your own businesses, so you need to play a key role into in it. Either you are getting the benefit from the MIS, or you are supplying certain information in your MIS system. Okay, so 6 business objectives we have already discussed, and we discussed that all these 6 are not necessarily will fall in one organization. It's depend on the requirement. So might be 1, 2, or 3, but all 6 are not necessarily be fall to a particular organization at a one point of time. Okay, so now we are moving towards, as per our, you can say, the syllabus kind of a pattern, what exactly this MIS is all about. So what is an information system? That means what kind of a things you will call it? Yes, this is an information system. Now, so information system, a set of interrelated component. It's not a one, you can say the one activity, one part which you call, yes, this is the information system. No. And this is also not as a separate form. It is properly with your business activity. ये क्या बोलेंगे इसको हिंदी में, ये बिजनेस के साथ साथ पैरेलल उसी में जुड़े हुए, मिंगल हुए चलता है. It's not a separate one. The way you are doing your activity, you are performing all those activities with the particular tools, techniques. So you are not doing something separate. You are doing your activity, but platform of doing this activity may be change or different. So set of interrelated. Interrelated, that means it's a two-way information exchange, two-way connections you are giving as well as you are getting certain output or outcome. Collect, process, store, and distribute. What is collection of it? Because until unless you are not getting input, you will become helpless because the system will not support. System as well need certain data source, and then it need to process in the form, make that data into a meaningful form, and the whatever the data you are getting or collecting, you need to keep a store for future. For future in the sense, because today's data will help you tomorrow while you are taking any future related decision, because you will look for the past and you will check with the present, and then you will be in a position to have any forecast. So you need to store it and distribute. Distribute in the sense the parties, those who are looking for it, you need to make this data available for them. So collect, process, store, and distribute information. Then support decision making. Here the word support. So I'm not explaining here the AI, artificial intelligence, that itself will take decision. That's a higher end version, but at least you can say support decision making. Here support decision making in the sense every decisions required information, a precise, concise, timely. There are many features we will look into in it in coming slides, but you require the information based on which you will be in a position to take a proper decision. So it facilitate or a support for the decision making, coordination, as in a above it distribute information. So you distribute among the various groups, so you will have the proper coordination. And since you are very well connected or interrelated, then in that case you will be in a position to have a better control as well. Now, information versus data. What exactly the difference in between the information and the data? Just a minute. I'm just okay, good. So information versus data. What is the difference in between these two parts? Any one of you has having any idea? Before I move into it, I hope since you people have already gone through about the fundamentals of, I think, computer fundamentals, such kind of papers. Any idea?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, information is like like it's all the knowledge that is present with us in general, but the data, when we talk about data, it is some specific information presented in a specific manner.
Okay. Anyone try to attempt it? Anyone else? You can type in chat box your view, or you can unmute and directly express. And if you don't have, then you have to type no, because you can't remain silent. Type no if you don't have any idea. Otherwise, express your understanding. Good attempt, Jay. So 2 persons out of 29. 27's response still I am waiting. If you have any idea, express your idea. If you don't have, type no. Good, Jill. Good, Parmesh. Good attempt. Ayush is having no idea. Khushi, information is knowledge of fact. So only 6 so far. 23 is still pending. Please, if you have any idea, express it. If no, then type no. You can't remain idle. You need to be participative. Vishal, is information help to make data? Oh my god. Vishal, once I express, please revisit to your thought. Divya. Rajdeep is having no idea. Data is just a raw form of fact. What others are doing? What about Nidhi, Dhruti, Leah? I don't know what exactly the name. Shantanu, क्या है नाम? Bhavesh. What others are doing? If you are not participative, then I have a full right to remove you from the class. If you don't want to participate, even if you have no idea, that you don't have any idea about the point, then it's no way to be in the session. क्योंकि हम अटेंडेंस बढ़ाने के लिए थोड़ी यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं बेटा. If I am asking any question, with the option that if you don't have any idea, express it. That means you must have to express. Satya, Yukta, Deepti, Sneha, Khushi, Munira, Riddhi, Maitri, Prit, Vishal. What these people are doing? Vishwa. एक चीज याद रखेंगे बेटा, सेशन में हम हैं तो हम सेशन में ही हैं, हम पढ़ रहे हैं यहाँ पे. और मैं अगर कोई क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ जिसका ऑप्शन अगर यस और नो फॉर्म में है, आपको मालूम है तो भी करना है, नहीं मालूम है तो एटलीस्ट ये एक्सप्रेस करना है कि मुझे मालूम नहीं है. तो ये आपको रिप्लाई तो करना है. इफ यू आर नॉट गिविंग एनी रिप्लाई, then there is no way to give you the attendance, or no option, or you can say the no point to be giving you the opportunity to remain in the session. It's better to remove you from the session. अभी भी कई हैं जो सोए हुए हैं. मैत्री, काउंटडाउन स्टार्ट करते हैं अपन, है ना. मैत्री, 1, 2 and 3. One is over. Two zero seven. 207. I'm unable to pronounce correct name. Liai, I think. 207. Your C is available. Liai, Gola, Edim. Okay, so no point to be remain here in the session. Good. Okay, next we will take in the next question. Now, data and information, what exactly the information and what exactly the data, that we need to have a clarity, because this is the first step and that is the beginning. This way you are going to have the furthermore other things in this particular information system. You must have the idea about the data, and then you must have the idea about the information, what exactly called as a information. So data are streams of raw fact. And what is raw fact? Raw fact means for you, if you have it, it will not consist any meaning until unless you are not going to process it. Am I right? So data is a one kind of a raw fact for you. I'm not saying by itself it's having no meaning. It's have the meaning for someone else maybe, but for you it's a raw. You have to further process it and then you need to make a meaningful insight from it. Information is a data saved into meaningful form. So the data which you have collected, gathered in the various sources, you combine it, process it, and have a meaningful insights from it. Again, the meaningful is which is going to help you out to take certain decisions or give you any sense. Then you have to process it or present it into in a meaningful form. Now, this is one example. Look into first the left hand side. Look into the left hand side, what it is written. Yes. And let me know your observation. Just from the last slide and now in this slide, what kind of observation you have?
Sir, there is an item number 331
Yeah.
where the different units sold are given in different of like bright dish shop and like that.
So here, as you are saying, this is the item number or a code that
Yes,
you have given to that particular item.
yes,
This is the item name, and this is
yes,
somewhere the pricing of the item.
yes. Pricing or
Am I right?
the yes,
For since it's in a dollar form, so you can understand it's in a $1.29.
yes,
Clear.
yes,
So similar things you maybe observe when you go for buying any store, and they will give you the bill, and bill will contain almost all kind of a things. Yes or no? So individual item for you, this bill is also a information. This bill is also a information because it's having the overall thing. But for the organizations, this bill is generating the data. This bill is actually generating the data because this individual's item will not have that much of meaning. I'm not saying they are meaningless, will not give you that much of meaning until unless you are not processing through the system, and then you are having in a position to have a certain decision. Now what kind of information they are driving from the data, because this things is happening at one place. For example, I hope by DMart you people are aware about that, may be nearby you as well. So DMart, are you aware about DMart?
yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So DMart is having various stores. In every stores, they are having almost similar kind of a item. I'm not saying same, but similar items because the actually manufacturers are same. So they code that item in the same manner, and they have their various stores. Even in Rajkot, two stores. Ahmedabad, many stores. Clear. In almost all prominent cities, they are having their stores. They want, as a corporate label, they want the particular decision how the sellings are happening to the particular product. So item number this, and they are having sales reason. Which region? This is for, let's say, for foreign, you can have the Gujarat or a Saurashtra region. Clear. Store, which store exactly? Let's say a Crystal Mall. What is happening? Description, that is the name of it. How many units sold? This many units sold. That is year till date. What exactly the sales? Till date you can say this much dollar amount of sales you have generated. This is the very basic example to understand what is data. Am I right? For DMart, this one item is itself as an individual. It is using, or it is having the treating as a call of a data, their code, name, rates, something is which is not available here, that may be your pricing or the profit difference, taxation, all those kind of information. Then you are processing, and then you are checking. This is the one part. You can have the list of it, this item in how many stores in Saurashtra region, name in the stores, how they are selling, what is the difference or why it is deviating. एक स्टोर में ज्यादा बिका है, दूसरे में कम क्यों बिका है, आप देख सकते हैं. अब हो सकता है आप पता चले कि यार एक जगह जो है वो करेक्ट प्लेस पे था, जहां पर लेट्स से बाथिंग सोप है, तो बाथरूम या हेल्थ हाइजीन रिलेटेड प्रोडक्ट्स रखे थे वहां रखा हुआ था. दूसरी जगह हो सकता है कि इसको ऐसी जगह रख दिया था कि जहां शायद बाथ से रिलेटेड आइटम्स नहीं थे, बट उसको प्लेस वहां कर दिया तो लोग शायद नहीं ले रहे हो. ये तो मैं एक अंदाजा अपना बोल रहा हूँ, राइट. You can go ahead by this information, how sales are going on. Quickly confirm whether this example and the difference between data and information is a little bit clear. I'm not saying 100% clear. I'm saying that's a little bit clear. Data is a raw fact with itself in individual not having the meaning. But when you look for the information, that's processed from the data, but it has the meaningful sense for you. Quickly confirm by typing Y or N. And if you are typing in, I will be happy if you type somewhere that what kind of other things you require. Out of 36, only 13. तो राजदीप सिंह ने सुना बेटा मैं स्लाइड में क्या आपको डिटेल दिया हूँ? अगर सुना है तो क्वेश्चन तो वही है, और 3 बार तो क्वेश्चन ही रिपीट हो गया राजदीप। इस स्लाइड से आपको डेटा और इंफॉर्मेशन की क्लैरिटी मिली कि डेटा क्या होता है और इंफॉर्मेशन क्या होती है? नहीं मिली तो आप बोल सकते हैं कि सर आई नीड मोर क्लैरिटी। नहीं सुना तो वो फिर आपका इश्यू है बेटा। तेरह लोग हैं तो बाकी 36 37। ओके राजदीप अनम्यूट करो पहले।
Sir, good morning.
Very good morning. Yes. First, let me know where you are having the problem. Problem in the sense which part you are trying not having the clarity.
So not getting the proper difference means I know data is in raw form.
हम्म।
But what
इस तरफ जो
exactly
नंबर लिखा हुआ है और इस तरफ नंबर लिखा हुआ है, इसमें क्या डिफरेंस आपको समझ में आ रहा है? व्हाट डिफरेंस यू आर ऑब्जर्विंग?
means data is in raw form and
हाँ
information is means categorized.
कैटेगराइज। मैंने एग्जाम्पल क्या दिया आपको? इस स्लाइड को मैंने अटैच किया किससे? डी मार्ट से। आप बिग बाजार बोल सकते हैं, आप कोई और आइटम ला रहे हैं उसको भी बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है?
Yes.
आपके बिल में एक बिल जो आपका है, आपने इतने सारे आइटम्स वहां से परचेस किए, ठीक है?
Yes. Sir.
एक आप गए और आपने ये 6-7 आइटम्स आपने परचेस किए। आप जैसे वहां लोग हजारों लोग जाते हैं,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना? और ना कुछ वो परचेस करते होंगे, ठीक है? ठीक है, दिन भर क्योंकि वहां सेल हो रहा है तो कुछ ना कुछ वहां लोग बाय कर ही रहे हैं, और वहां पर ये बहुत डिफरेंट डिफरेंट आइटम्स बाय कर रहे हैं। अगर डी मार्ट को किसी एक आइटम्स के बारे में डिटेल चाहिए कि ये मेरा कितना आइटम बिका है, नहीं बिका, क्या प्रॉफिट हुआ, कहाँ पे ज्यादा बिका, कहाँ पे कम बिका, तो क्या इस बिल से इंफॉर्मेशन मिल रही है क्या? ऐसे तो हजारों लाखों बिल बने होंगे, यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
एक महीने में डी मार्ट में लाखों लोग विजिट किए होंगे तो लाखों बिल बने होंगे वहां पे। तो इससे तो इंफॉर्मेशन मिल नहीं रही है क्योंकि ये तो रॉ फॉर्म है। जब हम ऐसे लाखों बिल्स को कंपाइल किए, प्रोसेस किए, और फिर हमने यहाँ पे एक एक प्रोडक्ट्स वाइज डिटेल देखा कि ये प्रोडक्ट है आइटम नंबर 331 ब्राइट डिश सोप, इसका ये नाम डिस्क्रिप्शन यहाँ पे आया, कितनी यूनिट बिकी, कहाँ पर, सेल्स रीजन, मैंने एग्जांपल दिया सौराष्ट्र रीजन, स्टोर का टाइप लेट्स से क्रिस्टल मॉल में जो आपका स्टोर है, जो भी उसका कोड हो आप दे सकते हैं जिससे आप आइडेंटिफाई कर पाए कि आप किस स्टोर की बात कर रहे हैं, कितने आइटम्स वहां पे बिका, और ईयर टिल डेट कितना उसका सेल हुआ, मतलब इस साल में आज तक की डेट में कितना सेल्स यहाँ पे जनरेट हुआ है। तो ये इंफॉर्मेशन जो एक बिल में है वो यूजर के लिए तो ठीक है, बट डीमार्ट के लिए उससे कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन तो नहीं मिलने वाली। डीमार्ट को क्या करना पड़ेगा? ऐसे सारे बिल्स, जिन जिन बिल्स में ये आइटम सेल हुआ है, उस सब का टोटल निकालना पड़ेगा कि कितनी सेल हुए, प्राइस से मल्टीप्लाई करके निकालना पड़ेगा कि कितना सेल्स हुआ। इसमें फिगर नहीं दिए बट उनको प्रॉफिट का भी पता होगा कि कितना प्रॉफिट इससे हुआ या नहीं हुआ। तो जो इंफॉर्मेशन थी डीमार्ट में एक प्रोडक्ट के बारे में, दैट वाज नॉट गिविंग देम एनी मीनिंग टू टेक अ फ्रूटफुल डिसीजन, but when they processed it through their information system and make this information into a meaningful arrangement, तो एक आइटम इस तरीके से जब उन्होंने प्रेजेंट किया तो उनको एक क्लियर पिक्चर मिला। और हो सकता है जैसे मैंने कहा था कि पास्ट रिकॉर्ड, यू कैन चेक दिस थिंग विथ योर लास्ट ईयर डेटा एट सेम टाइम, जिसको आप बोलते हैं क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट, वाई ऑन वाई, क्यू ऑन क्यू, क्वार्टर टू क्वार्टर, ईयर टू ईयर। आई होप आपने ये वर्ड्स सुने होंगे। तो इसी टाइम पर, मतलब लास्ट ईयर, लेट्स से हम जनवरी में वर्क कर रहे हैं, तो लास्ट ईयर 2020 में जनवरी में इस प्रोडक्ट का कितना सेल हुआ था और इस साल कितना सेल हुआ, तो आपको एक आइडिया मिलेगा कि हम ग्रोथ कर रहे हैं, नहीं कर रहे, इस प्रोडक्ट का डिमांड बढ़ रहा है, नहीं बढ़ रहा है, प्रॉफिट मार्जिन हमारे बढ़ रहे हैं या नहीं बढ़ रहा है। वैरायटी ऑफ डिसीजन है, मैं जस्ट आपको एक कुछ एग्जांपल्स दे रहा हूं। अब बताइए राजदीप सिंह जी, आपको ये क्लियर हुआ कि डेटा क्या होता है और इंफॉर्मेशन क्या होता है? एट
Yes, sir.
लीस्ट बेसिक लेवल। मैं 100% अभी आपसे एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा हूं कि आपको पूरा 100% इंफॉर्मेशन मिल गया होगा।
No, no, sir. Clear.
दिव्य बोल रहे हैं कि फिल्टर। फिल्टर का मतलब यहाँ पे ये बेटा फिल्टर नहीं है, इसको कंबाइन करना। फिल्टर तो हो जाएगा एक पॉइंट पे सर्च करना, है ना। यहाँ पर आप इसको प्रोसेस करके मीनिंगफुल बना रहे हैं, सिर्फ फिल्टर ही नहीं कर रहे हैं। फिल्टर तो क्या करेंगे, इस बिल में एक आइटम देखना हुआ एक प्रकार से फिल्टर। यहाँ पर फिल्टर के साथ साथ उसको आप ऑपरेट भी कर रहे हैं, उसमें कंपाइलेशन भी कर रहे हैं, कैलकुलेशंस भी कर रहे हैं। तो सिर्फ यहाँ सिंगल आइटम जो है, इसका टोटल हजारों लाखों बिल्स में से इसने ऐड भी करके भी आपको दिया हुआ है, ठीक है। तो ये एक चीज थोड़ा सा एड ऑन है इसमें। नाउ डेटा versus information. Now this slide will give you more clarity. So what is data? Unrefined fact and figures and utilized as input for the other system. As I said, by itself you can't categorize. You need to understand in a system where it is falling. For you may call it as a this is the information. For a system, it will treat it as an input. Even in various stages, one source you will call as a information, but for the next step or a next stage of a system, it will be treated as a data. So unrefined facts, figures, and utilized as input for the other system. And next is it's a individual units. It's not a combined. In a last, just I explained the filter. It's not a single unit. It's in a for data. It's a individual. But when you look for the information, it's a combinations, collection. Then third thing is records or observations. So data may be of any category or any type. So it may be your own recordings. Like say you are recording the sales, you are recording your sales by the each and every single items, and then you are generating it. Observation, you are observing something and then you are recording those things. So your observation, you are observing the nature, you are observing the person, so that is also keeping the record. Vague in the sense it's not that much meaningful at the when you look to the individual unit alone. You will not have that much of clarity about the whole unit. Am I right? Just by looking to the bill, you don't have any clarity how much the sales of a particular product. No specific arrangement exists. So no ordering, arrangement, specifications by which you can generate any meaning. But whereas when you look to the information, that's a highly refined form. So information is the output of processed data. Output of processed data. Here you process your data. So information is derived from the data. It itself is not a separate unit. It's the next step. First need data, prepare them in a meaningful form so that it is going to help you or give you a particular sense, idea, meaning, or you can say certain inputs through which you will take furthermore decisions. Products and groups of data carry a logical meaning. Product and group. Product or a group created the group that will carry the logical meaning. And then it's an analysis. It's not the vague form. It's or it's not only the record. It's giving you the analysis. That's why I told you Divya, at not a filter alone. It's an analysis. It's a total somewhere, multiplication, profit, comparison, whatever it may be the forms. And it's not vague. It's very specific. Very specific. That means it's have the meaning and intended purpose. If you don't have any purpose, you will not be in a position to generate any information. You can read the newspaper, there are a lot of information, but hardly you will find any information which is useful to you. So if it is not a specific pertaining to your requirement, you will not call that particular thing as an information. Clear? And properly organized one. That is the specific thing you can say. It will always organize in a proper manner. And proper is having no specific meaning. That's totally depend on you, how you want to process it, how you are thinking that that way of arrangement is meaningful. So that's totally individualistic in that particular form. Now let me know, now you have a much better clarity about the data and information and the differences. Do you have much better clarity now? Again, only 4-5 people. Now, these characteristics of the information we will discuss tomorrow. Pray, do you want to say something? Prem, do you want to say something? अब ये देखो, okay. So this is for the day. Next, we will discuss further more about this information and all. But you must have clarity about data, information, differences, because this is our actually the subject, that what exactly the data and what exactly the information, and this is creating the basis for our overall discussion. This is going to create the overall basic for our discussion, that what kind of a information it is and how exactly it is processed, and that will generate the meaning for what is the meaning of management information system. Okay, so thank you for the day. If you have any doubt, please let me know right now, so we will discuss or analyze it.